Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a ghost kite at home. Let's begin by gathering our essential materials. You'll need a lightweight white plastic bag, ideally a kitchen trash bag, along with 2 thin wooden dowels, each about 24 inches long. Don't forget your string, a pair of sharp scissors, strong tape, and a black permanent marker for adding those spooky ghost features. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's construct the basic frame for your ghost kite. Take your 2 24-inch wooden dowels and arrange them into a cross shape. It's best to have one dowel positioned vertically and the other horizontally, with the vertical one extending a bit further at the bottom. Use strong tape to firmly secure the dowels where they intersect. This intersection point is crucial, so apply several layers of tape to ensure the frame is stable and can withstand the wind. With the frame ready, it's time to attach the ghost's body. Carefully lay your white plastic bag flat and center the dowel frame on top. Cut the plastic bag around the frame, leaving an extra 2 inches of material on all sides. This margin allows you to fold the edges over the dowels. Securely tape these folded edges to the dowels, ensuring a tight fit. For the spooky tail, simply cut several long, flowing strips from the bottom of the plastic bag, making them about 1 inch wide. Finally, let's add the finishing touches and prepare for flight. Grab your permanent marker and draw a fun, spooky ghost face onto the front of your kite. Next, attach a long, durable flying string to the top of the vertical dowel. Make sure this connection is very secure, perhaps with a double knot and a bit of tape for extra reinforcement. Once decorated and strung, find an open area with a gentle breeze and watch your homemade ghost kite soar high into the sky. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.